Here's a 2002. Move that. Here's a 2002 Aries 12. Here's a 2002 Aries 10-inch box fan. So, this fan was my childhood fan. Here's the back of it. It has the motor, of course. Side of it, the knob is a 3-speed box fan. And I'll turn it on low. And as you can see, the original tag fell off. It was only a piece of paper. This said Aries on it, so I put a piece of tape with and wrote magic marker and put Aries. Here's low. It's a very quiet fan. And sorry, I have bronchitis, so. Medium. It's a very powerful fan for a little 10-inch box fan as well. And high. And off.
Introducing a whole new way to win at Foxwoods. Fox Trips. Now, 1,000 times a day, one randomly chosen Foxwoods Rewards Club member wins an extra 5 to 5.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video of my 2002 10-inch 3-speed, my 2002 10-inch 3-speed box fan. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye.